What's up, guys? If you are struggling to get views on your videos on YouTube in 2026, if you are a new creator but recently you are uploading your videos and you are not getting views, you are not getting engagements, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to teach you exactly what I'm doing and it's working currently using Studio, which is an inbuilt YouTube studio feature that is currently working on pushing people's videos. In fact, within 3 weeks I've been able to gather more than 100,000 views on one particular video that the owner thought it will not go anywhere again. Before we continue, let me show you this screenshot first of all so you can at least see what I'm talking about. Let's head over to my screen right now. As you can see, so as you can see from here, this video is what has gotten 56 views. It's actually a faceless video, and if you see this thing here is what 4th April 2026. Now fast forward to May 22nd 2026. As you can see from here, the video has moved from what 56 views to 102,000 plus views. That is to tell you that this particular strategy I'm about to teach you in this particular video is really working. I've tried it on my other 2 faceless channels and it's actually working. And in this video I'm going to show you. So if you are interested, all I want you to do is to just subscribe to this channel and then take a sit back, relax, and follow me step by step. Just copy whatever I'm coming to tell you or teach you, and it will work perfectly for you. Now, before we continue again, I want to show you this particular channel that you are watching this video on right now. And this channel is actually new and I have 0 subscribers. Now, even with 0 subscribers, I posted my very first video on this channel, and as you can see, I got only 1 view. But let me show you one interesting and amazing thing here. Let's come to video analysis. As you can see from here, this video is rated what YouTube search 100%, meaning that the strategy I'm about to teach you is YouTube's own feature, which is going to rate your video, which is going to pop up your video on search engine, which is YouTube inbuilt. And what we are coming to use is what the Studio right here, as you can see, where I'm hovering the mouse pointer now. Again, if you come to reach here, okay, this video is currently on impression what 7.7%, which is not bad, because as you can see the graph is constantly moving out, which means that this video has been fully optimized very well for the algorithm to pick it up. Now, don't be looking at this video has gotten 1 view, so it's not going anywhere or something. Mind you, on YouTube, your video can take 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, or even 3 months to pick up. Which means that purposely for this particular channel, as a new channel, I don't have any problem. Since my video is on impression about 5%, I'm okay. And my video has gotten what a view, which means that I'm doing something right. And above all, this video is rated 100% YouTube search, meaning that the topic that I spoke about is actually on a massive demand on YouTube. So one way or the other, since this video is popping up on people's impressions, this video will definitely pick up one day and then start going. So with that being said, let me show you exactly how I package these videos, or how I was able to get that particular views and engagements on that particular channel. So let's come back to the channel I want to work on today. Not this one, the channel that I'm actually reviewing right now. Okay, so this is what I'm actually reviewing. So first things first, because this video have been published for some time now and it's not getting views, it's not getting engagement. So what I'm coming to do is to I'm coming to actually revive this video. Okay, I'm coming to revive this video so that this video can start getting views. With that being said, let's head straight over into this particular one. So the first thing first I'm going to do is this video is actually on public right now, but I'm coming to tap here, then I unlisted the video. Okay, because I'm coming to rework on it, so I need to do some disconnection from the public, then I work on it. So put this video on unlisted and we save it. Now this video is currently what unlisted. So what we are coming to do is tap on this one as if we are coming to edit straight. Then you see this title here. We are coming to copy the title. Okay, after copying the title, we are coming to use this Studio. Okay, but we are not using it straightforward. We are coming to give it a prompt, and the prompt is this one. If you like, for the purpose of this tutorial, this is the masterclass prompt that I always use to revive videos, and you can pause this video, copy it, or you can even ask me in the comment section, and then I'll forward it to you as a template that you can copy, put the title inside, and then you'll be able to use it. So we have a title here already, but I'm coming to select this title and then delete it because it's not the same title we are coming to work with. So let me just delete this one, and then from here I'll paste the title that we've copied. Are you getting it? So this is a new title we are using now. I'm now coming to copy the entire prompt. Okay, I'm now coming to copy the entire prompt like this. Then we do what? We head over to back to that particular YouTube channel, and then we make use. Remember, whatever you are coming to do, you are making use of the same YouTube channel, so that the art studio of that particular channel will be able to access the channel and give you exactly what you are looking for. So let's paste that particular prompt we've copied here, and then we send it, and then you'll be surprised, you'll be shocked how this tool will be able to, give you anything at all. Are you getting it? So it has finished accessing the video, accessing the channel and everything. So right from here, as you can see, it has given us varied titles that you can select from. Okay, then most engaging is even giving us options. These are the most engaging titles that we need to use if we are looking for engagement. Of course, that's what we are looking for. And then the metadata package video description. Are you getting it? This is amazing. This is beautiful, and I can bet you that if you copy this and implement it the right way, your video will start going, everything will start working for you on your channel. So all you need to do is to copy the entire okay, right from the title, strategy and everything. We are going to copy all this. Are you getting it? Copy all this. And then after copying, what are we going to do? We are going to keep it on what? In a temporary folder. Let's open this temporary folder. And of course, it's temporary. So we are coming to paste it somewhere here. As you can see. So this is what we are working with. And right from here, I don't want this video to be way too long, but what I'm coming to tell you is that right from here, you are just coming to copy everything bit by bit. First of all, you copy the title, then you head over to that particular video, and instead of the title, you delete this title, and then you paste the new title that you have in your temporary folder here. You come to description, then you copy everything description from here, and then you go and paste it there. That's how you do it for the entire video, including the video where you see, if you have uploaded a video before, I know you know what I'm talking about. Right from the video description to the category, the playlist and everything, this AI tool is giving you everything that you need in order to upload this video successfully. And it will even give you a new thumbnail prompt. If the thumbnail is not working for you, just copy that thumbnail, go and paste it somewhere, and then you look for image generation tool like Google Flow AI, and that will give you the exact thumbnail that you're looking for. And then you do what? You just paste that prompt, get the image and come and upload it and add it to the video. And then after that, you come back to where you unlisted the video. Okay, after doing every other thing, after doing everything on this particular video, all you need to do is to come back. I don't want the video to be way too long. That's why I'm not doing one step, two step pasting and all that. So this video is currently on unlisted. So after inserting all those things and saving it, you come back and then you tap on publish here, and then you publish it. Are you getting it? Then the video will come back to this. Make sure you get a pinned comment, and then you pin it in the comment section. Okay, that way the video can get the relevant or the needed engagement it's supposed to get. Are you getting it? So that's basically how I revive old videos that are not performing, and even new videos to surface on the YouTube search. Are you getting it? So this is one of the craziest and the most important, and the strategy that currently works in 2026 for most of the creators that are enjoying on smiling on views, on engagements on their channels day in day out on YouTube. And I know you are going, if you implement this, if you copy me the right way, you are going to get engagements, you are going to get views, you are going to get subscribers on your videos right on YouTube. If you have made it so far to this point, I believe you have learned one or two. You have learned a lot in this particular tutorial, and all I need you to do is to subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Just subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification icon, so that anytime I upload any new trick, any new strategy, any new video right here, then you'll be able to have access to it. I've been doing faceless for some time. I've been doing a lot, and I'm going to share my experience and every other thing, how I use AI tools and what have you on this channel. So if you are interested in any content like this, do all those good stuffs, and then you wait for my next video. Yes, because I'm going to be dropping videos on daily basis that can benefit you as a new creator right here on YouTube. If you are interested, do all those stuffs, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.